Here at the North Californian coast, we have a good diversity of marine invertebrates, among them nudibranchs, like the Stylula sandwigensis or San Diego dorade. Unlike your typical garden slugs, nudibranchs are predators and really voracious ones, highly specialized in targeting very specific range of prey. This San Diego dorade, for example, hunts for sponges. Sponges are yet another group of understudied invertebrates. They have a simple structure, lack differentiated body parts, so they excrete these mineralized parts called spicules, much like our bones. Spicules are often dire-looking, thus a long-lasting idea is that they also serve a defensive function. The predator-prey interactions between nudibranchs and sponges are poorly studied. Previous researchers found that tropical sponges would excrete more spicules and under attack by reef fishes. I'm curious whether the Heliclonus near the purple encrusted sponge common on our coast would actually alter the shape of its spicules after being attacked by nudibranch. So the experiment has two parts. The first part is the predator exposure setup, where we have sponge collected from the Bodega Marine Reserve, and we expose these sponge samples to a Dialula for either 3 hours or 6 hours. So after the treatment period, we give them 12 days to regenerate and cut off the regenerated tissue and basically submerge in bleach to extract the spicules. And then we compare those spicules and newly regenerated tissues of a sponge being attacked by Dialula to spicules from the same sponge from the same colony that's not being attacked by Dialula. The second part of the experiment is the predator preference test, where we collected sponge samples from both the Bodega Marine Reserve and Pinnacle Gulch. So Bodega Marine Reserve is a more wave exposed area, so the working hypothesis is that the sponge grown here would actually develop more robust spicules. So we want to see if the Dialula would actually sort of target Pinnacle Gulch sponge more, than saying that they actually like Pinnacle's Gulch samples more. And this could suggest that the spicules do have some sort of deterrence functions. Working here close to someone like Dr. Eric Sanford, a field marine biologist, I'm really able to sort of see how he thinks and what questions he asks, and like how does he look at the organisms and like say what's going on here, and everything is being discussed under an evolutionary framework. I think it's a very fruitful experience.